Hello beautiful Nook queens and kings, welcome back to the channel. So today I will show you how to make high-end home decor with thrift items as well as a hot glue gun art DIY. You can add this to your DIY home decor ideas for spring. So jumping right into it, I will be using these two wall art I got from my local thrift store for $3 each. Some marble contact paper from Amazon, link can be found in the description box, spray paint and glue gun, which I now have heating up. So let's get into it. This is a very easy high-end home decor DIY that looks very modern and fresh. So before we continue, if this is your first time here, my name is Nora G and I do one-of-a-kind DIY videos, and from time to time you will get videos on food, fitness, lifestyle and random things that just make sense. So I would love it if you can hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community and positive vibe tribe. For my returning subscribers, let's keep creating magic together. Thank you. So now back to our super easy and budget-friendly wall decor DIY. So as you've seen, I have ripped out the frames from the back, and I will be applying the marble contact paper onto the cardboard or the wooden board that I took out of the frames. I then went on to measure out the marble contact paper for the exact sizes that I wanted to put onto the wooden board. So if you notice, I'm doing half and half, and that is mainly because I'm almost running out of contact paper. Well, you have to improvise, okay? So otherwise I will have it going full across the board and not half and half. Also, this contact paper is part of another project that I actually worked on, which I'll have the video coming up on Saturday as part of a collab, so stay tuned for that video. On side note, I just want to say a big thank you again for 20,000 subscribers, guys. I know I already said this, but I just can't stop thanking you all. Thank you so much for being a part of my Nook community. God bless you. So back to our modern glam home decor DIY. If you noticed, I just used Gorilla Glue spray to actually hold the rest of the contact paper on the back. So this contact paper normally is self-adhesive, as you can see. Yeah, so you normally do not need to use any glue of any sort, but I tend to be very particular, so I prefer to use Gorilla Glue to make sure that this is going to stay on there forever, because that is what Gorilla Glue does. Gorilla Glue is forever, guys. Like, I can't believe the strength of this glue. So now I have both papers prepared, and I will go ahead to do the second part of this before actually putting them back together. Yep, so for the second part of this, I have to create our leaves, our gold leaves. And I am using petroleum jelly, aka Vaseline, to actually apply them onto the glass before drawing my leaves using hot glue gun. Yes, I actually did those using hot glue, and this is so that it is easy for it to come off once the hot glue is dry. So this will make for a hot glue gun wall decor or a hot glue gun art DIY. So what does I do this? Alternatively, you could use parchment paper to do the same thing I am currently doing. I had actually planned on using parchment paper, however, I realized too late that I was out of parchment paper, and there was no way I was going to go out in the cold to go get just parchment paper, so I had to improvise, and this Vaseline method on glass works just fine. Okay, so yeah. In case you're wondering, so this was some colored hot glue sticks that I got during the Christmas period for one of my DIYs, which never happened. So anyways, they're coming into play right now because I am actually out of clear hot glue sticks, and this works just fine because they're actually pretty hard and they actually dry off pretty quick, which is also very important. So just keep watching. Are you still watching? Yes? You must really like me. Or you just like my craft, or maybe you're just a curious cat waiting to see the final result. Either way, You are amazing, okay? How about you comment thrifty in the comment section and be blessed? Thank you. So now back to our hot glue art DIY. So as you can see, it is properly dry and I used a knife to actually peel it off from the glass. Okay, it came out pretty easy because of the Vaseline. So I will go ahead to do the same for the other leaf, and once I have them both together, I will go forth to spray paint it gold using my spray paint by Design Master. Just watch as I complete this. I love how this turned out. Like, it looks so metallic, you would not even believe this was made from hot glue gun. Okay, so I will go ahead to have this glued onto the marble contact paper before filling in the frames back again. To do this, I will be using my Gorilla Glue spray. Yeah, the famous Gorilla Glue spray. I already did, and I will go on to have that placed onto the marble contact paper before putting the frames back together. Watch as I do this. Using only 3 to 4 items, you can definitely make a high-end home decor or high-end wall decor without breaking the bank. So all I used for this were some thrift items, which would totally make for a trash to treasure projects ideas. So make sure to add that to that list. And voila, we have our ready-made high-end wall decor or high-end home decor from thrift items. So this is the final look, guys. I just love this. I love how this turned out, keeping it black, gold and white. Okay, because that will be the theme running through in this space. So stay tuned for Saturday's video, because that will be the completion of this project, because this is part 1 of 2 videos. Okay, so do let me know in the comments section your thoughts about this easy DIY project. All right, I would love to know. Also, you can check out my previous video, my last week video, on how to make high-end home decor from Dollar Tree items with a Coming to America vibe. Okay, so you don't want to miss that. Make sure to check out that video. Thank you. This will make a very lovely piece in any space, you name it. Office, bedroom, bathroom, living room, you just name it, because it is so easy and very versatile, especially with the fact that it is black, white and gold. Okay, I am using this in the bathroom and it looks just as beautiful. The black frames really complement the white walls. Like, there's a lot of contrast there, and I just really love this about this simple home decor. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to smash that like button, as well as hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you always get notified each time I drop a new video. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching.